Oh my, oh my, I'm warning you. Yeah. I squander money a lot when it used to reach I in war. Exchange with the girls because they're hot. Never set a foundation where right but rally back. But now I'm broke and haunted, just realize that. Now I'm warning the friends and company. Please don't try the road I've tried. That's why I say, love what you got. The next year now go, pull it and sell it again.
I am here vibing with one of the big voice, conscious warriors in Jamaica's entertainment space. His parents named him Donovan Walker, but we know him as
Guidance.
Father Falcon.
There. we want some name
Don't worry
that
yourself, man. All is well, sir?
Yes, sir, we're there, you know?
It's a joy to see the man.
Give thanks for life.
It's a joy to see the man, man.
Yeah.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them.
Yes, sir, yes, everything good?
Everything blessed.
Yeah, man, as I say, it's a joy, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
One of the man where, with a big voice, where me not think get the justice where he deserve in the space. But we try help with that as best as we can. Do you think, go?
Straight.
Yeah, man, talk to us though, early life, place of birth.
Well, I don't know, Majesty Garden.
Oh,
You see?
I never cross the waters, yeah?
No, Kingston.
Oh,
I'm
Kingston.
just going to get my citizenship over here.
Over here, yeah, that's right, yeah, that's right, yeah, that's right. So, Majestic Gardens.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, cool, man. How many brothers and sisters the man have?
Well, you don't know, 3 sisters, 3 brothers.
And all of them still around?
Yeah, man, give
It's
thanks.
a blessing, not any brother. We have to give thanks to them things in these
Yeah,
times,
man.
you know, because out there rough.
Out here tough.
The old man and old lady still around?
No,
Both of them shut down?
yeah, one live but one pass, the mother pass out.
Oh, the old man still around?
Yeah,
My condolences with mommy. See?
blessings.
Where the man attended school.
You know, we start from Nagozed primary.
Oh, so you're forward cross?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Little bit?
Yeah, man.
Okay. See the parade.
Yeah,
And when you're forward cross, which part of Portmore demanded base?
Newland.
Newland.
You don't do it.
Yeah, so we could pick up at the schooling part, I think.
Yeah, from Nagozed primary, you don't know. Straight cross to Bridgeport.
Okay. Cool, no, man.
Yeah.
Cool, no. What was it like growing up back then, though, financially speaking?
Well, you don't know it's rough and tough, you know,
Rough.
but her mother alone, but you don't know she still fight it with
So
the
the
whole
old
of
man never up on the ground?
it. Never there on the ground, and she alone, so she a mom and pop.
Oh.
You see it?
See, pre. So I think that kind of dies, but want to make the best side.
Yeah, and she make the best side and continue doing what she do for keep her going.
The world know the man as
Yeah.
singer with quality voice in a business, man.
For real.
Conscious,
Yeah.
uplifting music. At what age or stage would the musical vibration start at the heavens, though?
Well, you know, at Bridgeport School, we did, you know, beat down the desk. Brethren named O'Neill from Portmore Lane, always I beat the desk and say, sing now, man. So you don't know, we start sing out, and
Yeah.
it lead on to Bradshaw talent show. You know, Ozzy Bradshaw?
Sunshine, talent,
Right.
show. Carl Bradshaw.
Right.
One, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So from there, you know, I think it was about 72 artists in the competition. And Little Kirky do a song named, "You look at me and I can see the feelings gone." So, you know, we just cover that back and
Oh, cool,
yeah,
man.
right to the final. Forward second.
Second.
It's a Christian girl and a Christian boy get the #1 spot. So you don't know it go. God before everything. So me don't watch your face. Me still go
man.
first.
So that was the early introduction to the thing.
Right.
But even before that, though, who were the people in the space where you listen to on the radio or on sound system and I say, yo, you know me like that something, yeah?
Well, me listen to the conscious people, them like all, you know, Bob Marley, you don't know, Tracy Chapman, Garnet, Silk. You know, me listen to them, but them people that really, you know.
Inspire the
Right.
thing. 1 second in another competition there, how the thing progress from this to do?
From there, so it's like, you know, my community have me as biggest thing, boy, yeah, biggest superstar. And from there, so me had do my thing, but me realize, majority of the artists, them, when them get the interview, if you listen back it, in every interview, my name no mention. Once somebody mention my name is Bascom X, give
Bascom
thanks.
call the name
You
too.
see it? Yeah, so anyway, from that now, I start do my thing and Then at the community till a brother named Boucher from Newland have a bar. And producer from Brayton, Brown Brothers. Them hang out.
Brown brother.
Yeah,
Okay.
them hang out. That
A
was
Newland man them?
No, Brayton.
Brayton, okay.
But me I talk the older one.
Oh,
Zane,
okay.
so. Them hang out, so Boucher say, yo, we have a bad artist here, you know. And him say, you know, so me I got a studio tomorrow. They have forward me, so you mean me ready? Got the studio and him say, go on to the voice box. That time, Luciana, whole heap of top artists up on the rhythm. Go in at the voice box and I start sing.
So that was the first time you actually went to studio?
First time I go studio. And I start singing in the studio and the brother name, forgot him name and him drop out, Simpleton.
Simpleton, Coca-Cola Wacky Shape.
Yeah, him found in the studio and him say, yo, that brother you can sing him, man. You see it? So I sing the song and them put it together and everything and fly out.
As in love what you got?
No.
Okay, because they say, yeah, go and talk to me then.
That song well, way back song.
We
still. So
okay.
anyway, them fly out and my dad still go on. You have a thing named Black Magic.
So
We keep them Wednesday night stage show in Newland.
Oh.
One night greatest show on earth. Where every artist in Jamaica forward.
Every artist?
Every artist, big top artist, local, small artist forward. That I go on now, so I start sing and I tear up the whole place because I learn the latest sing over song them, you know. And I start singing and I mash up the whole place. You see it? Then a virgin from Cumberland link me and say, yo, yeah, the best thing me see right now, I have an artist named Anthony Banton.
Anthony B.
Changing name to Anthony B. Why you carry him out there, you know?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
So,
And I start
so I want to get that clear.
Yeah.
So, whilst on your journey early,
Right.
yeah, Anthony B used to roll.
Right. So, him link me up and say, yo, so I'm going to Cumberland and up where Anthony B used to stay with them. You see it? So, see artist, and I say, yeah. So, I got a studio now. I go wake up the artist, come in. Then, I do my little igler in the same time, because you know.
Oh, you did that hustle in the
Yeah,
streets?
yes. Sell clothes and so. You know, in a studio is not an easy thing for you going, you know. You know, I make the money and yeah, come on, but I still have to use my brain. Have the lunch money, have the bus fare, so I bring him. You see it? So, back to the stage show again, we are do it thing and we are mash up on them and say, yo, the artist there. And where you find him guy and say, bad it up. Till Lico Devon come link me and say, see the artist where you're part? I have some bridge and I want to hear him. And I say, oh, him say Star Trail. I say, carry him go on, and that I want. That I want, Devon, because me get my girl pregnant now, so I can't go studio every day like that. No, I feel like though. So what I do now, in them time there, I say, DJ, because we don't know the roads here. See fair, see lunch here. Sometimes I come in, nothing I go on, and I still have it. So we do it. It's just reality speaking, you understand? And I give thanks for know. I see from a man from Deso to him reach. That are the first miracle in my eyesight.
First miracle in the eyesight.
Yeah. I'm happy for him. No matter what go on, I'm happy for him. No, so we do good and the journey continues, same way.
Yeah, before we pick up the part there, were there any sound systems that you actually used to go around regular? Go exercise?
Yeah, man, a sound system right down a city or so, man. Right before you reach City Gas Station, the last, I think at the third house or so. Right at City or some, forgot him name. Him drop out, still have Fat Humber and Indian Humber. The whole of the artists them in Portmore used to go there and see him Black Magic. The evening him string up on the whole of the artists them from Portmore.
So you coming up at that time, you mentioned Anthony B still. Who were the other people who have got a name in the space where they in that bunch of you there where you look it at the time?
Well, before Anthony B it was Baby Wayne.
Baby Scalawa.
Yeah, because what now the jukebox them we used to, me and them singer. When them play the rhythm with Ninja Man and when them the I believe the children are future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. So them used to play the beat instead of the song.
Right.
When you press the jukebox, you drop in the money at the beat.
Instrumental.
Right, so I'm me the singer. So Baby Wayne an instrument. Used to be the DJ, you see it? So you know how where I come from. I was still there doing it. You see it? Yeah.
So let me ask you a question, because you know the song where you record first when you went to studio with Brown Brothers, what the title of that song?
Tell you the truth, I don't remember the title, like, but it was a song when Brown Brothers, when I go check back the brother, That's the younger brother Breton. Him
Okay.
say, what your name? And I tell him, Falcon.
Falcon.
Him say, yo, my brother bring around 40 songs. We make a white liar hear it in Miami. Out of the 40 songs, the man asks, who is this man here? The voice we him have. You understand? So the man say, yo. So I say, yo, I need link, you know, I need to make a move, you know. So that's how the love what you got come in. Because me and him did that reason now.
Okay.
That's the younger brother now. Then, so
Right.
me and him did that reason. And I say, what you want? He say, yo, give me a money, I'm going to make a ready. So much money you want? I say, give me 30 grand. I count out the 30 grand and give me. I go over Nike studio. And I say, Nike, I have $20,000. I want to make a ready. I got the 20,000, can't make a ready. What you do? I said, just cool, man. I want to make a ready, but I know me have in mind. So I go and give him the 20 and I start playing. I say, Nike. To myself, I say, look like my 20 grand waste. I want to hear it. I say, Nike, if me carry a song come, see you make a rhythm feed, it's supposed to sound like the song. Why to go over there so go do? So him goes and I say, play something, man. I say, tung, 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 tung. I say, Nike, no, you play a rhythm to the song. So what happen now? Him finish it up and I say, remember, I just one verse me have, you know. But him believe me have the whole of the song. So I say, if you conquer the one verse, just continue to play anything else where you want to play, man. You understand?
Yeah.
Can we go with a short song? But I know my kind of meditation.
Yeah.
So I say, go in there and sing now. So I'm going there and I say, one for the night, I say, just sing, because you come here to sing. So I say, I squander money a lot. When it used to reach, I in walk. Exchange pretty girls because they're hot. But never set a foundation where I could rally back. But now I'm broke and I'm haunted, I just realized that. Now I'm warning your friends and company. Please don't try the road that I've tried. That's why I tell you, love what you got. So when I stop this, I know me no know no more.
Oh,
So now I
that's
go say, yo, go and sing. So meantime, I talk to him, I meditate. So what I do now, I meditate on the people. You have some people who get deep from foreign. We never learn to love them out. So I put them all in the songs now.
Right, and it's what there.
Right there, I put them in the song. I give a show for hand show a lot of time. Never pay small profit, no mind. Richer than I, you couldn't find. So when I finish the song, a brother come next to him and say, who sing that song? I say, see man, the man say, brother, you know what you sing? Me never really know what I sing, you know. But me even get the idea of a car what my brother did give me. And say, go and drive. So me I drive the car now and go learn a virgin and the virgin borrow it and go turn it over and mash it up.
Love what you got.
Love what you got, me never learn. You see it? So them journey they continue.
But even before, we have to pick up back right there, so we can step back. Falcon, how you come by the name there?
Falcon, you know, then a Newland and the man say me head big.
Oh, so
Big head Falcon.
I'm good as name so today.
Yeah. So at that time, now, in them time there, me have a song that when I counter
Falcon Eddie?
Yeah.
Oh, because I know me a boss come mention the part the two names still.
Right.
Falcon Eddie.
So Ghana still could have a song where I say, I gave you everything I've got. So me I hear the song and I just say, all right, here I go on. All the days you brag and all the night you boast. In your pretty shoe and your fancy clothes, there's a way you should multiply, but you throw away that child. One of these days that feeling gonna make you cry, so I take back everything you've got. You're not welcome back. People see me and say, yo, you sang a lot down the whole place in a town, brother.
Who you did that for?
Wizard label. Wizard. So me go some
take back.
Yeah. So me go some hear them thing they know and go up that time Stampede, Stampalo, record shop off a tree a lead. I go up there now and me ask the virgin them and I say this something say, no, the song them take back and them say yeah. So them so much you want. I mean I say, I mean sing it. The man say, my friends man, you wanna sing this liver foreign? I say yeah. So I go and say I start singing. The man say, yo, buy me some liquor. And the only song this way I sell so hard, boy.
Yeah.
Record. You see it? I have to buy them the liquor. The last month in my pocket, I have to hold that one night and buy them the liquor, keep up the fear for cover up. You see it?
Yes.
Then I go check Wizard. Zane, I follow Wizard one time, go must say Panic Sound or Panic, one of them places there.
Sonic Sound.
Sonic Sound. And follow man go over there. When follow man go over there, brother. We see man going there, I come back with a paper bag thick so. So me I say, what this look like he go collect the money them off his song. Wizard and me a drive my car, not $1 Wizard give me. Not $1, brother. When me go see now, me there, yeah, me there New Land and one youth named Shabba. Panicana just sell coconut and thing and Rasta youth. He said, guidance, he said, Falcon, you know, so me sit down here and say, I watch one show. Me watch the show start, and me know by the time the show start, me know me hear your song. Take back. So me I say, Allah, yeah, tell. Yeah. The man said, me watch the show till the show done a year song and the last song. So me say, Wizard never ask him, how can the song reach in a movie? Him say, listen, people can hear it and pay for it. We don't know somewhere, somehow, and make it become a soundtrack.
Yeah, man, but even so, whoever involved in the song have to benefit from that.
Me not benefit
Which movie?
Wizard. Me not know the movie. Long years ago, me I tell you about, brother. Yeah. Me always remember Shabbat, so I'm going to ask the nephew. From that, remember Wizard live a fire, you know. Zane? And to me, he say, sickness take him and thing, and him coming back, and he say him pass off.
Oh.
But give
Would
thanks.
be interested to know which show.
Yeah,
which show,
give thanks to life. I still there, I still create music.
Yeah,
and
I think they did another song for Wizard, A Little Love.
Yeah, oh,
More than one song? Oh.
More than one song with them. You understand? Because I remember them have me as the Portmore artist, you know. You see it?
When did the name change over from Falcon to
Guidance?
All right, before you say that's one of the better names in the music space, brother. Guidance.
All right.
Deep.
As I say, I sing them type of music, reality, upliftment music. So I say the Falcon thing I really work with them kind of music. Yeah. A brethren come from foreign and him see me up the road and I say, yo, singer, I have a song for you. Bad song. I say, all right, I'm here now. The man starts singing a song. I say, I don't like the song, you know. Him say the song name Guidance, I don't like it. I say, I like the name.
So you take the name?
We don't take the name, I say, keep back the song.
Good name, brother.
Good name, man.
A powerful name.
Yeah, man. I never go around the name.
Yes, I never try to go around the name.
Hey, I can't go around it. Every time I look on them page, that's a Guidance.
You know, and I think you did love what you got in about 07,
07.
06, 07?
Yeah, 06, 07.
06, 07. The song, while it's a big song on its own, that song they really and truly got a huge push when Panther played the dub plate at World Clash Pier 1.
All right, I can tell you that go now. But they are the studio sit alongside our artist up at Red Hills Road there, so. And Panther there, they are cut dub and him come across and him sit alongside me and say, you did the song, then love what you got? And I say, yeah. He said, I don't have no money, you know. I don't have no money. But I want that dub there. And the artist touched me and said, no, I'm rich. I can pay you. But the artist they on the ground long before me. So I think back and say, if you're there so long, and he no call you, and a man like him, that tell me, say, him want me song for go play a World Clash. Panther said, I still can give you some gas, me have $4,000. So give me man, what do you man? I go up to the studio now and Panther said, here what I want you do. I want you say, last year who no teeth World Clash, but this a year now go easy. All right, I sing the song reach to the sun. Him say, listen to this. Me I go make Japanese fine you. Remember Japanese are the most powerful people who cut the plate, you know.
True,
Then, all right, me there in my yard, World Clash night now, me there in my yard. Me and my phone ring off, Kerry, with the upper Exodus. I say, Kerry, what
go on? Exodus if I dub plate.
I say, Kerry, what go on? Kerry say, Guidance. I say, Kerry, with the night for a POR down there. You Kerry, no, you're mad. How you get the biggest forward in a World Clash? I say, I like Kerry.
True.
The man say, a 3-sound play your music, but when Panther drop it, the whole place...
Then can't cut dub like Panther, right?
Yeah, whole place under fire.
Yeah.
2 days after that, a brethren one a student call me. And him say, yo, are you a Guidance? Me say, him say, how much you charge for dub? Japanese there, I want dub.
Yeah?
And I say, well, me don't know, you know. Him say, 3-sound. You know, you get 300 yes right now. You're so happy and glad. Call me. Me do 1. Me give him $50. Call me another day, me do 2. Me give him $100. So him call me and I give him, because I give him every 50 for 1. Till one day Japanese them call me. Them say them up a Jap Leaf producer, yeah. Dan Carly studio.
Yeah, Dan Carly.
Yeah. I go up there. Him say, me guidance, you know. Me 800 no. Need 2 double, you know.
4
5 plus 3, you know. Me can't find next 5, you know. So me say, good, you know. Well, I say, good, you know. Me do, you know. No problem.
You want to talk Japanese?
Yeah, no problem. When people start get the 800, so me I say, in all that time, yeah, the man don't want this through that 5 bills, if I get some, I get half and half with me. You understand? So from that day, you know, when him still call me, me just take a 3. So I'm supposed to take 2. Me nobody give him the 50. Me still a give, I can go and do things. See? So, getting the thing, the man, the first 800 me get in my hand, remember, say, me not have no fridge. See, the day when me get the 100, brother, I straight at town, the 800, straight at town, me go buy the fridge, you know. And carry to my baby mother surprise, you know. So, when we come up with like all 8 bills, me give her 6. You understand? When the time I find myself now I look a problem, I hide 10,000 from her. Now you 10,000, yes, 10,000 Jamaican.
Okay.
And forget away at the 10,000 help me. Because I have to make it look like, say, our man me a wait for the 10 grand. That, you know, long the man of me a wait. I have to take you out and give her. So
Yeah.
say, glad for the 10 grand. You know, man, I'm it's a journey.
So, Panther playing that song and dub play it, really and truly.
Make up to 2 days there.
You still eat food?
Up to 2 days there. Trust me. And you have a thing named, you have many rivers to cross. When
Jimmy Cliff.
When we sing that song there, you know.
I know you cover it, man.
Son, man.
Oh, you're singing man dub play too?
Yeah, but me call my name.
Oh, okay. So you're not pretend to make
Me
it
not
look like
pretend make it look like, because I see it going at Guinness Clash and it locked down whole heap of place. Me there Jamboree. And I see selector walk up on stage and say 2 songs me are playing here.
2 songs?
2 songs me are playing if in no bus. My song is one of the songs. Love what you got. Lose the president, it not go easy.
Dog there, go watch out for true.
Roll up. Words I've said. Lose the president, it not.
I true one, that I go bust dog there with you.
Tear down your world place, man. Then give me 2 minutes the first time before me do love what you got down there. And I say 1 minute me did one. And I walk on the stage and say, Prime Minister, give a little love, show a little love. When so many youth will live longer. Some fi stop walk around, issue guns to get a youth wanna see pancana. With name and lease, who fi get slaughter from who fi drive them 150 van, yeah. Then in return, you send police to murder with same one hand, yeah. But you will get wiser and up with this guys with giants and not together. Under dust I know, no more gunfire. Him no one friend him place mash up and me say, Zeke's replied no. No more pickpocket, Lord, the poor downtown, make them prat. Yo, walk off of that, man. So when they call me, the man will say, love what you got, so then call me. So when we got them, we just prove to them.
Yeah, let me ask you a question though, because I think one of the issue that you have faced is the fact that, so the song is out there, but the face is not.
The face not.
Why wasn't a video shot for that song?
All right.
If you didn't know you back then, I first thing I asked you, why video for your song there?
The video do. The video do. The video did a lock down all of these stations. And when I check for the video, every man say them now have it again.
Me never see a video for that song, brother.
Broke man, drive biggest vehicle in Jamaica and broke and pop down and now go on people see the video. Me like gamble my last car key.
Yeah, gamble your last car.
Last car, me have to throw it up on the table. So, them, yeah, man, and a whole heap of thing, brother, but you know, I work with God. Video, brother. All the man when I call, I contact the man for the video, I can't find it.
Bro, I have never seen a video for that song. So I'm frightened when they tell me it's a video shoot for you, song.
Yeah, all the man will do the video, I call him, he can't find it.
Where man do the video?
He will do the video and can't. So we really are going. My song is a song where it select for go #1. And when it reach 9, then turn it back. But when I realize I got on my song, because just when you go #1, you're limited. When your song Lego in the wind, it dead forever. That is what happened to Love What You Got. It bigger than number one.
World song, bro.
Yeah, it bigger than number one. When you go number one, you know, brother, you have to find something else, you know. Because them put you up on a limit. My song is in the wind, still blowing. Frightened morning, you can hear say, yo, somebody call me. Right. So, I'm not really fuss about them numbers.
Because that's why I asked you why your video wasn't shot. Because me I say,
man.
a song like that,
You know,
with a voice like that, people need to put the face to it.
You know when Escalade just come to Jamaica? First Escalade just to Jamaica with 24-inch spinning rim, all of them vehicles, we are pushed down. When we go road, people are here, oh, them man here. That's how we do it.
And the thing drop so far where you have to gamble your car key.
Job so far, I have to gamble my car key, man win all my car. Crutch me head when the man turn over a card pack and show me say him win. Crutch me head.
So what did have in the pool? What did have on the table?
Him have the money.
Oh, him have the
He
money.
brought me my money. So, you know, for me, I try something to win back now. So, car, house, me that go for about the gambling done. I wouldn't live nowhere. I see about something out there. See about that.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man. Me see, all right. Me see a virgin now what day. Me that's around 2 months ago. Run a pints. And him turn to me and say, you don't know him, but me know him. I say, what go on? Him say, you saved me there in England. I want to hear your song. Your song with me have 2 houses and a couple of vehicles. One woman hear my song and cry, live in the water and say if she did hear this before, she'd have what she have. That's to show you the power of music.
And that's why when they say music now affect you them negatively or foolish.
People only talk what benefit them not talk the truth. A virgin sell a CD. I ask him one what upon the CD and him call out some name upon the CD. And I turn to him and I say, you know nothing conscious. Boy, I want wheel, you know. So I look at him again and tell him, so listen this. You see, sometimes the same man where you see him, where you sell the CD, you will pass by one at a time and him not no money and him take your money because you just give him a bad influence. And him turn to me and say, that's what you're talking, you know. So I say, you can't just sell your soul so, for the money. Remember, you know, brother, when you sell your soul for the money, you know, you're going to end up and give them back the whole of the money, you know. Borrow you borrow it from them, you know. But when you take your fine time and your Father God work, you know, nobody can harm that, you know. No matter what them try, you know.
One of the things too is that, you know, in Jamaica we tend when a man find a big song and really find a song to match up to that level there again, we call them one it one. That is a tag that has been ascribed to you?
No, that is a tag we are trying to put down. The talent, them where them know so them can push the next tune or push the talent, but them keep holding it back so them paying something for you if stop you. I'm going to correct that too. Determine to do a song. Remember one Hobia song when I do?
Right.
When call up all our name. And right at the turn of the song, when people are going to listen for where I go come there, so, and my name fit the sign of guidance one hit. So me say, the whole of they put me, why you have to choose to put me right at the effect of the song? So, I say, so them people are really, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
So, I find the producer for the rhythm. I'm going to go and some man give me some argument what happened in my life. I'm going to go and say, all right, I know me make destruction take you. You go 80 make the monkey them walk you. Can't find no tune management dump you. You call guidance me, it won't help you. Bounty killer see me. Capleton. Say, we don't need to answer him again. You cover it. The amount of dub work we get after that song. After that. So sometimes the bad become good for you.
Enough times, man.
You see,
if you know if you spit it.
If you know if you deal with it.
But we talk about some other tune where a quality song in the street but not get no love. Round my girlfriend yard.
Sure. I tell you that, yeah. That song there, history song.
History song. A real something.
A real
or
song.
just a vibration.
A real vibe, man. But you don't know, say, you're dead and young, you're bridging them apart and them not into you, but them into the things. And your girl has see everything and you not see it because you're busy with your friend them. Till the problem reach you, one inform by you. Problem reach you, she say, you saw me that tell you. So from that you learn, if you stay your girlfriend yard, all in your friend can call you sometime, but nah forward, brother. You see
Give a
it?
couple lines out of the song, man. Because here what we are doing, we are introduce some people to some of the song them. Make people know what time it is. You
That is
understand?
it. Around I'm a girlfriend yard, I do it. I've got no time for no higgling, no love thing on the street. My woman yard, I do it. And I know watch me go watch, and I know peep, I go peep. Idleness bring idle company. Never listen when me girl did a talk to me. Boy, me mad bad run the community, Lord. I will start on for me. Can't believe I'm my best friend sell me out. Information police ask me about. Bust that case there, gone on a brand new road. A long time my girl a tell me to leave them out. My girlfriend yard I do
A
it.
good place, man.
You see it?
A good place. Another tune, a quality tune in a place, but I don't think really and truly the street hug it up enough. People have problems. Big tune, bro.
Big tune, brother.
Big song.
I watch a news, international news, and them fire a brother. Them fire the brother. Brother just go home and go pick up his gun. So me I say a problem that, you know. So that's where I get the idea. When I look around at Jamaica, when I look around at Jamaica now, I see the sad thing, but not that
Right,
kind of
that
vibe, but just the
specific vibe.
people are struggle. Can't pay them bill. You understand why you have so much, man? You see it. So I just put words and meditation together. See? People have problems every day. Them say the system set them that way. People have a problem in this world. Hey, mama, talk to your boy and your girl. You never know till you know. You never know until you see and believe. The mind mash up, the heart grieve. When the boss man tell him, say leave. You see it?
And there's a video for that song, which is good,
Yeah,
sir.
problem, yeah. That's a new tune.
Another song that there's a video for is God Set Me Free.
Ah, all right. You see that song there? It's so powerful and I so love it. God give me that.
Yeah.
Me a person producer, one producer. Me have a nice little, what do you call it, markets, you know them first time markets there?
Yeah, well.
Me have the markets there, Jai. Producer step in now and say, why I want to do a thing, you know? So, me link him up to a video, brother. Because I want a video, brother. Me link him up to the brother now. The brother have a, get the camera and everything. Buy camera, get the brother. He might fly out, so him say, here I go on. My vehicle have a problem. So him say, can I go give me bread, me fix it. I get a different vehicle for you still anyway, but go and drive that one, yeah. Me I drive the vehicle where producer give me. The brother when me introduce at the video, man, him jealous over the vehicle when me I drive. In family I come from foreign, them I rent the vehicle and me don't know. So when me call the producer and say, what that?
I rent the vehicle where you
When me I
drive.
drive, when me call the producer and say, what that? Boy, I want the money in and thing. So me say, brother, I don't know if you do that. So the brother hear the conversation now we come from foreign and say, no, me don't want this. No, you can't do that. You're going to rent a vehicle. So I say, brother, I know my vehicle take it. The man say, yo, I know me don't want it for rent. The brother goes and drop off the brother. Then at the house I lie down. Producer call me. The man them out of the gate, you know. When I go out there, the video man determined he want the vehicle because I go drive God the funeral too. So I just turn to the brother on the phone and say, listen to this now. I give him the key, I don't want it back. Give him the key. So me tell somebody, say, ask him for my car. You know what I'm saying? He sell my car.
What do you mean sell your
Sell me car. Hey, God.
What do you mean sell a car?
Sell me car. The car when me give them to deal with, it's sell.
And I rent out the one where you drive?
And I rent out the one that I drive. Hey, people, that music thing, you know. I told me born for do it, you know. God you never know. I told me born for do it. Anyway.
God set me free.
God, hold on. I go son, boom. Give them key. Ask me car sell. Why? I have to laugh with it. People say me an idiot, but you have to wisen at this time. You understand? And think. So as me say, boom. Car sell. But they still a move around. And I say, Father God, what kind of people them? What kind of wicked, greedy people them here? See? And the song just come to me. God said to me, giving up shouldn't be Sometimes the going seems rough, but still don't give up. Ooh, keep your head up high. You see how hard the wicked them a try. Remember God is standing by. He saved us from the stormy night. Oh Lord, God set me free. Because I take my troubles to thee. No more will I worry. God set me free. With tears in my eye.
Big song, brother.
With tears in my eye, John. You see it?
Video
Me
nice
overcome.
and clean.
Nice and clean. And me live to see God bless me. For me achieve two better than it.
Amen, brother.
That's so me know God real. God bless people in your life, He give you.
True that. That's a true word.
You see it? Them check with something small. That's why I tell the youth, them say sometimes check and overlook. Don't be the one to say, if me did know. Yeah? Check. Make them call you fool and idiot, but check.
Some of the tunes where you do a song with a Tana. I now find the song with the song name, but I know you ain't Tana do a
Them
tune.
planning again.
And you and Tyrical do the song there?
You and Tyrical did first.
Oh.
But the producer you know, when me care people for do harmony, Buju Band and Sister Mary, for do harmony upon the song them kind say him want. He might tell the woman say, she not have harmony my one, because the song them want harmony. She said no. A guidance but me there. I have to harmony him. All when you not pay me, I do it free. So I don't know what kind of fight them there I get. I get some fight where.
So you end up do the song?
Do over the song because them cramp the song. Then?
The chorus in that song is so beautiful. I mean the Tyrical part, I don't know the Tyrical version, I don't know the Etana version.
I mean write everything.
You write everything?
You see it, let me say, doctor working with police, police working with lawyers, lawyers working with the MP, MP working with Prime Minister, Prime Minister work with private sectors. Then who are we working with? Garrison, I ask these questions, then where is my answer? Them planning again. The system planning again. Yesterday they killed 5 youth, but this time I've heard that they're coming for 10. Them planning again. Babylon planning again. Mama want your boy, Garrison talk to your youths. Tell them low out the guns them.
Yeah, that's in our space where so much negativity there, so much gimmicks around the place. How come a man like Guidance with such a voice and such conscious, positive lyrics I'd run on one part round, sir?
Because them want more fools. You understand? My type of music I got too much of a wise up and you got to learn. Them need people for drink and last them way. You understand? That is why the overseas marketers say them now really find nothing where to keep the thing going. You understand? And it hurts so much when me hear some people forward pan the big highlight, the man I say, reggae now sing again. That simple meaning, you know why them say that? Them only look feet in them circle where them plan with. Them now go wide out
The search for the thing.
and search for so much talent where they are Jamaica. Them keep it in a one circle. So them friend meditation down can't lift no more. So them say it dead. It's still there. Yes, it's still there. So go out and search more talent there Jamaica.
By the window with Ico Flames. Not a tune and anything. Bad artist.
Justin.
Are you there? Bad artist.
Justin, we bridge, go
Bad
school
artist.
with producer that. Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
And so the work being on the brother CMA is just that it don't reach the people them as much as it should.
As me say, when it go there, so people put it down, you know. Me do all a song lately for a producer, a big producer. And one brethren went on too into me and tell the producer, I say, yo, wipe that, trim selector, wipe that. I mean, just
Why?
make, yeah. You know, people just see it naturally and they like, you know, sometimes you maybe carry yourself too clean. But you're born to do that. So you nah go see me dirty, so just continue to like me. God love me. And more people out there love me.
Yes. And let me ask you another thing though. You are generally a conscious, positive artist. Has it been tempting for you to divert from the message and the mission and get involved in a way the thing there, you know? At any point in time you ever feel like you need to change the thing to really reach the people them?
Well, I change the thing, but I not go as well them there. You understand? I step it up some more, but I not go with them there.
So you're not going at the load crew?
No, I'm not going at that. I'm not going at the disrespect of woman.
That's a nice vibe,
That's a nice vibes.
Like everything burn up?
Everything burn up.
If you live in a
glass house. All right, they don't know what I say. But there I see some local vibes where I go on. I draw in Boise and Energy. Because I remember one time Bogla go do an interview in Asylum and him turned to them and said, "Me not do the interview until him sing."
Until guide and sing.
Until guide and sing. So I always remember that. So I remember Boise was the little youth around Bogle. So I say, yeah, I go on now. I link up Boise and say, yo, I have a producer, new producer, Karen, and him go like brother. Karen's record. We create a thing. And when you create the thing, I say, Energy, you kind of have a rapper look. See, I give them a kind of rapper sound. Yeah. Boise, yeah, I got set up hard. I will put it together.
I think it's a
Shambhala.
I think it's a flavor.
Flavor.
Is all on it?
Flavor, yeah. So I'm going to finish now. Producer said, me have my artist name Flavor.
Flavor.
And I say, yeah, man.
Oh, I produce an artist.
No, the producer said, me have my artist name Flavor. You know? So I say, yeah, man. I'm going to call him Flavor and say, come in, say this. And it come as one. So we carry it to the street and it start play. With all of the street selector them. But you have certain one that carry it start first. Because you have people feel like them bigger than people. So you know you have one that started first, so it start till the one that feel like him bigger now start grabbing because him see where I go on. So Shambhala rap.
You know who tell me recently say their favourite dance at recent dance?
John Hype.
John Hype. You watch the interview?
Yeah, 1, 2, John Hype. In the time of lockdown, you know, brother, when them say lockdown, you know, me out the street every night run up and down from police.
Yeah?
And you know, at Portmore, me left from go out in Kingston. Every night when police put me over, me say, officer, studio, I come from, I want to sleep. Police said, then why you never stay at studio and sleep?
Yeah.
And the reason I say, yo, your reason like I go to you, go on home. But and we are coming from town to come to Portmore, me still have to dimmy in the corner. Till me reach, when me reach one that's now, you know, it's at the danger spot at the roundabout.
Oh, yeah.
You know, police always have about this in the hours. And when me don't know, when me reach like that, me lock off my light so me not see no car light and shine. So me say all clear. So come in on the corner, me gas! And gas on the main and come up again to reach me yard. I say, thank you, God. Every night during the... Every night. You see the street youth them out there dance and a skank? Trust me. They need to give them the respect. Me forward down the street and I bring them a shoulder. I try every one of them bring them a shoulder. Almost everyone.
You know do all the tune with logo man.
Logo. Everyone.
Boss.
Logo. Brother, where you get that?
We don't look at research, man. I know what you think, brother.
And people still fight while you have other selector player. So I say, this kind of look like you want it all, you're greedy. But remember, you know, God not sleeping because you see when you fight a man, just when your fighter come, and the one fight where you go can overlook, you know. You have to go firm to try conquer the fight the way you get, you know.
You and Boise and Energy again. A nice good vibration, everything burn up.
No, me alone do the burn up.
No, man, I know you alone do the song, but they are the ones who are really do the dancing with you in the streets.
Shelly Belly create the burn up.
Shelly created?
Yeah, charge up him call it. So when him goes and him start, and then you have another teacher hype on him squad now. You know the one of them knock na head?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, them join in and some other skankers in a town. So everybody just join in now and start move towards it. While you have other people where, but them are always be that way.
But you get some love in other space there for the guidance, man.
Yeah, get some love in that space, some good love. And when you realize that you reach where you reach, you find one always that try to stop it because him don't expect.
You have to excel there, so.
Right, so you always find one that try to stop it, but him late.
Yeah, I'm telling you who called me and asked me what the song name. When I do the thing at Dancehall Thursday, couple weeks after he called me, I said, Teach, who do the fire thing there at Dancehall Thursday? I said, which fire thing? I say light the thing in the thing. So me I say it's a singer named Guidance. So Dennis Al Capone was the man. See? Big DJ from back in the days. He used to DJ from El Paso and so big DJ, see? But he's based in England now. So he link me and say, yo, he like it. I'm here, Dennis about 70, 80 years.
Yeah.
And me say, yeah man, he says a nice guy. But me I say, yeah, what go on? A man we have big song in that space already, you know. He say, which song? Me say, love what you got. He say, love what you got. So me play for him. So every day, man and wife now play that song, bro.
All right, man.
Every day.
Give thanks for boss.
If you're living a glass house, don't trust her. And if you can't take blow, brother, don't throw blow. Everything burn up. The curry go up, burn up. Fry, get burn up. No, the bird can't take the pressure, burn up and lift up. Everything burn up. Bad mind get burn up. Ungrateful burn up. Carry go bring come burn up, burn up, burn up. Sure. No need a friend from, no guy. The aliens from, no guy. We just a fly from a gun. Go by. Don't wanna come them. Me not lie.
So you're out in the streets, bro.
Yeah.
Zane. And you get some love there, so.
Yeah.
And a feedback, a vibe, and an energy in the music.
Yes,
I like
sure.
that, man.
Yeah, man,
I like
for
that.
real, man.
I like that.
I have to big up the whole of the street people. Them. Leg of the street, Stone Love HQ, you don't know. Game Changers, them. TNR,
Yeah,
World Team. Big up Rooksy.
Oh, Roxy. Selector
Big up
Roxy.
all of the selector them. You have another say Wayne and the whole of, big up the whole of the man them. Zane, Seaview selector. Big up the whole of the man them, brethren. Respect to each and everyone. Just continue. When you know say talent, just push talent. No make no one influence you and tell them say stop it. Yeah? Because that talent can be the help later on down the road for you. You see me?
Yeah.
The cake big enough, one man can't control it, one skanker can't control it, one dancer, one DJ, one singer can't control it.
Next thing. With the voice and lyrical potency what the man have. How come I never see a body of work or say an album from Guidance?
Well, as I say, I still put them things there together. You see
Albums live on, you know, bro.
it? Live on. Yeah, man, I still put it, because when I put it out there, I know say, it's going to be something with somebody happy like a song on it. And see there, from you send the song again, the artist, you not stop.
You not stop playing.
A girl tell me say she listen to one CD with over 50 music on it. Every time she reach my part, she skip it till she said tired of listening to them song there. When she said make she play it out,
Love
she
it.
said if she didn't know. You see it? Yeah, man.
Just a suggestion to the man. I think with the vocals where you have, bro, and the message in the music, you need to consider putting an album together when the time is right, when you have the right people around.
Yeah, man.
Just my
Yeah,
recommendation.
man. It's
You
a got,
understand?
man.
Because as I say, voices like these need fair. A man can put in, or when he must stream 15 track straight through and make the thing work.
Yeah, man,
You
yeah, man,
understand?
yeah, man, yeah, man. Because I have them song the lock, you know, live instrument, everything, you know. It's just for ready for just say, all right, put it
Put it
right
together.
there, man. Yeah, man, I have them lock, man. I say big up to Karen's Records every time. Teach them.
You have been in the business for quite a while now, bro. So when you got your hit, it was what? 07, we say?
07.
And you were doing the thing a few years leading up to that.
Yeah.
Looking at your musical journey so far, though, what is that thing when you look at it, it still give you, even though I know say you look like you get a beat around on one part, you look upon it and say, musically speaking, I appreciate that part of the journey there.
All right. Right now, in the time of the love that you got, I just say me get a hard fight right there. I'm stepping back now to the new move, the new move, tag one good. And them respect me from that then till now with that same song, where them know.
Big song.
You see it? So it's a joy same way. No matter the fight where me I get, it's like me feel good. Because the fight only make you stronger. You understand? And when them fight me, I push further.
Now I'm going to make another recommendation to you. Love what you got? Do a video for it, man.
Yeah,
You would
man.
be surprised.
I mean, I have an artist that when I respect, you know.
Yeah.
When I respect, I link him.
Who is
I
that?
say, me and you do that thing here together. General, Bounty Killer,
Killer.
one general. I put it across to the world now. If him not do it as I go do it alone. You understand?
Brush it off, man. Repackage it and do a video for it.
I'm rating because him out in the street every night and show support. Him could have stayed home, you know.
Him not happy out there.
Him not happy out there, but him
Happy out
out there support. You understand?
Him love the music,
I
man.
have to respect him.
Him love the music. Yeah. Musically speaking though, bro, what the man still hope for put beside him name from a musical perspective, you know, say yes, that's a part of my journey, that's a part of my legacy.
Well, I just want them to know, say, guidance they and them do good music. Them not forgive me nothing but just know, say, me there. You understand? Me just want to know, them know, say, me there and recognize, say, me there.
For the promoters them and the sound man them out there who don't know if reach you, how them find you?
Them can contact me on guidance 876 or guidance/artist. Instagram and number wise 876-358-6358.
Run it again, 876
358-6358.
6358. In the time when you had, you know, that song doing well in the space, where are some of the places that you went to work?
Well, I go the small island, you know, I go in England one at a time, and you know, the US.
US.
Yeah.
Still need to, you have to go a road, brother. The voice where you have, the world for you hear the voice. The
Yeah,
message
man.
where you have, the world for you hear the message.
And I hope someone will listen and I go watch this right now. Reach out.
They
Talent there, yeah?
They will, bro.
Yeah.
They will.
Reach out.
So the man still in the space, you understand? I reinvent himself.
Yeah.
Not just sit down in the past, but I try
No.
to be current, but clean and positive same way.
Right, because me go so now and Shelly Belly. Me see me have a thing where I go so with the girl them.
Pumper.
Yeah. So I go so and say, Shelly Belly say, guidance, you know, me do a tune. So I link up in producer and we go through and brother, when we carry that song there, what? A viral. The clippings will go over the mineral when I pump a girl, so viral it go. When I look on my page, I see like some stopping, can I go over 800,000, you know.
Oh.
Something where them report on it. 800,000. You understand?
Get the video done, man, and get the thing right. All right, that's one of the things. So the voice will be there, but if people now
See the face.
see the face,
Yeah,
they kinda
because
lose the race.
yeah, because you know
And
sometimes.
that's how we there night together, bro.
For
You
real.
understand?
Yeah, and most time when me there at the party and me even do the video clipping them, some man I say, yo, let me do it. But me I say, you see something, give some people a video for do it, them not do it like
They
how
don't
you
do it
want to do
properly.
it. You understand? So me just take the time out. I remember a year work, you know. I know you can do it the best. You understand
Yes,
me?
sir. So I'm glad for know so still, the man, despite all of the challenges and the struggles, never just go fade away on one part. Because enough artists do that, you know.
Enough
You
artists.
understand what I say? And just disappear for the thing. You're still in the thing and I try stamp yourself
Then,
in the space.
then if me as a reggae artist can step in the dance hall, and me go find a song named Shambhala Rock amongst the big artists that we are sing dancing song, and my one come drop right in at the center. And then we go some forward back again and say, everything burn up, the curry go up, burn up, fry get burn up. Now the bird can't take a pressure, bird have to lift up. And come connect so till people wait. Used to play it, stop play it because the effect of it. Corruption drop in there so now.
As I said with Shambhala Rock too, one of the biggest stamp of approval a dancing song can get is with John Hype say, I'm my favorite dancing song.
Living legend, man.
You understand what I say? So,
We are living
as a
legend.
dancer in a space where you're live, John Hype have the biggest name. And John Hype say, I'm favorite
I'm
song.
favorite song.
Yeah, right.
So you see the truth
Just
of
do
the
some
song.
good music.
All right.
Right.
Bounty Killer, see me and say, guidance. Guidance. This song you live through Corona, still alive? Eh? Man? Then when we go song here, they burn up now. If you notice, Killer have a thing. Killer no dance. Killer no skank. But from him, he hear the burn up, I first time it a play. And Killer go so. Remember me can't do it, you know, but I me a follow Killer. Everything burn up. the car go up. But I saw the man up and I say, yo, brother, right there. Killer, and everybody make me move my foot out. You make me move my foot.
Bro, let's go out do the work. And as
Yeah.
we say, you have some work from around stuff because you need to get a video of the song out.
Yeah, man.
See? And the music can also be found on all the digital play stores.
Yeah,
So
Karen's record, you don't know. New producer upon the block. Yeah, so I'm not try black or nothing. Just make music go through, man.
Yeah.
Sure.
How are things republishing and royalty with the songs that you would have had in the space already? Though?
Love what you got.
Love what you got.
Yeah. Kaleka fight.
Kalaka fight.
For a long time, I don't go around that corner, they go look. I
So
just go and do music.
It probably say, I go and pile up then, man. Nothing wrong with that. Go and put in the work, bro. And as I said, the man's voice is a voice where Philip on some festival around Europe.
Yeah, man.
And them
God
places,
bless him,
Japan and
sing,
them
man.
places,
Yeah, man.
brother. You understand what I say? And also, not just the vocals, but the messaging of the song.
Yes, I
See, we don't have enough people that do that level of music then at the space. Too much gimmicks, bro.
Too much gimmicks, man.
Yeah,
I
that's
water
what I
them
say.
thing.
Too much lewdness and crudeness, brother.
Yeah, yeah.
You see, I know so you kind of find a little thing over the dancing side still, but I love what you got and people have problems and run on my girlfriend
God
yard.
set me free.
That's
you
a
know?
part of the guidance there. We want some more out in the street to see.
Yeah, man.
See it? But we know you work, we work right now, but also at
Yeah, this
so Europe and
Yeah, man,
Japan and South America.
I just saw me thing, you know, but you know, music, through music, my born for though. Me
You just do music.
do music.
Just as long as it clean.
As long as it clean. I not go around there. So me even go say something about one man, tum tum pam pa tum pa. You know what I mean? Now to go out and
We do things set up, man.
yeah.
Bro,
Give thanks again, you know.
quality artist, sir.
Yes,
You
I give
understand?
thanks again.
Big singer.
Teach them.
And hopefully an interview like this can help to bridge that gap there
Yes,
between
straight.
the voice and the face. And also to remind people, say, I don't just love what you got to do about it. Because we have a tendency to boxing people and say you're rare. Yeah,
Right.
I want to take the time to do the research.
Right.
You understand? And we just
Straight.
into what act and that is it. But we
That
know
is
so
it.
them man a quality artist.
Yeah, man, give
Go and do
thanks,
the work.
man.
You understand?
Blessings,
I look
man.
forward for the album one day.
Yeah, man.
And the video then, brother.
Yeah, man. The video, you know, I work on that one, you know, the bun up, you know.
Burn up.
Yeah,
no,
man.
you don't work on that.
Yeah, I work on that one, man, because let me tell you, say,
Yeah.
all dirty ways, bad ways, evil ways have to burn up. Corruption burn up.
Love what you got at the video with me, you want to see.
Yeah, remix. I
Alright,
just said the
sir.
date, yeah. Yeah, I go see the video and I'll link you. It will set together and put out there. You see it. Manners again, teach them.
It's a joy, man. It's a
Teach
joy.
them. You tell them, say, feel love what they got. Connect here and go easy. Teach them, say, cherish what you have. These coming days ain't pretty. You still not learn yet to love what you got. And now you're losing it. What can you do to gain it back? Guidance.
You see it, family? Oh my, oh my, I'm warning you. Yeah. I squander money a lot when it used to reach high in war. Exchange with the girls because they're hot. Never set a foundation right but relevant. But now I'm broke and can't just realize that. Now I'm warning your friends and company. Please don't try the road I've tried. That's why I say, love what you got. Connect here now go easy. No, I'm telling you, cherish what you have. This coming days